Here's a little tip you guys maybe didn't know about the Cosmo. You can get a free microwave delivered to your room. No cost at all. And they'll bring it right up to you.
Just ask for the VBI special.
Yeah, pretty cool. And if you didn't know, they also have fridges already in the room. So you've got a fridge and a microwave now. Block the do not touch section in the back here. And it works, I think.
Oh, some brown stuff in here.
A little dirty. Maybe clean it off.
Thanks for watching another one of our YouTube videos.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to put the notifications bell on for future videos.
Please follow us on Instagram at Vegas Best Ideas.
We post daily pictures and videos about the best places to eat in Vegas, things to do, and places to stay.
Take care, guys. See you soon.